Hello once again, Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management, and I welcome you. Thank you for listening to the video. We got our website up again, and actually we moved everything over. It's all at a new server, and we've made some changes, and we hope that it changes for the good. Obviously, we've added since the last time I had a video, I believe I've added another program, our method here called the E-mini bull bear method. We're going to be looking at that in the near future. We'll also be slammed in between these two. I'm hoping to get this out in October. Actually, these two products in October, and the crude oil, perhaps even getting 3 products out in the month of October right now. So it's very close. We're getting close to releasing some of this stuff, and I look forward to allowing you all to take a look at it as well. So the easiest, quickest way to get into you can actually watch it now in my live trading room. Just click the tiger here. And obviously read the information and fill out your name, email, country. Get free instant access. Go ahead and subscribe to my room, and you'll be able to take that 10-day trial. This is a 10-day trial, a free 10-day full access to my trading room. After that, you'll pay $97 a month for as long as you want to stay with me. So let's, without any further ado, let's take a look at the trade itself. Okay, the trade I want to talk about today is over here in the crude oil. Crude oil happens to be one of my favorite markets now. It's a fun market. It's a quick, rewarding market, and we want to talk a little bit about that today. This is a setup that we're looking at. Really not much happening in the overnights, and then we come into where we have our big bar movements start happening around the 8:30 mark or so. You can see our volume starts to pick up, and we run into the U.S. day trading time period. Right now, the time at this particular bar is 12:45, and we're getting ready to see the 1 o'clock bar here. Make sure that was. So here's your 1 o'clock, and actually here's your entry point right here. So let me go ahead and put my entry points in so that you can see them. So here's how I set up the trade itself. You can see the volume over here is really good. The volume is good off this bar. We're coming in at the 1 o'clock mark. We have an entry point at 69.66. First target here at 70.06. You can see how we busted through the 50 bar MA, decisively moved through it, and now we're getting ready to test this 200 bar MA. We'll give ourselves an opportunity to trade this. You see this is a nice upward swing here. We're busting through all of this information through here, and now we're looking to see where the market's going to go from this point forward. Now this trade, by the way, happened on Monday. It was yesterday, October 5th, and the oil market really started taking off. So as you can see, our next bar, next 15-minute bar here, it went through our preliminary target point here at 70.06, and this right here, this 40-tick move is worth $400, and we have our second contract, our second series of contracts, sitting up here at the 46 mark, and you can see that was hit on the next bar end right here. Very quick trade. This happened within this particular trade is well, the 2 bars together is 30 minutes. You think of it that way, and it was a lot less than that as far as the trade goes. Now the second here is 800. And so your 8 plus 4 gives you $1,200. So that was our trade yesterday afternoon. So overall, this ended up being a really nice trade. Once again, we saw that our first target was out at 70.06 for the 400, and then our second target at 70.46 for $800. Once again, the combined total in this trade was $1,200. You can see it just busted through a 200 bar MA. It busted through the 50 bar MA decisively and continued its upward swing. This is, and you look down here at the volume, you can see how how I like to see volume. Volume was ascending and didn't actually start tailing off until this point right here, which coincides with the 230 mark where you'd be looking to exit anyway. You could run behind this green line here, as I would show you, and I would recommend that you just take your profits off either here or here and be able to walk away from this trade. This trade, you could have taken it off here at the 2 o'clock mark. You're kind of picking the top at this point, but having a target in mind, knowing exactly where you're going to get in, obviously, and knowing where you're going to get out. The upper average daily range, this blue line right here in front of us, is telling you this is a good place to maybe think about removing your contracts as a day trader and taking advantage of this situation right here. Nice 2 contract trade, even trading 1 for $400. That's a really nice trade in the crude oil market right here. So That's it. That's all I want to talk about today. I believe I told you I'd keep it short. This is Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. I want to thank you for your obviously watch my videos if I can anything I can do to help you in your trading. Once again, I do run that live trading chat room. We are live and running, so feel free to stop in, take advantage of your 10-day trial at your convenience. Obviously, we'll be looking at some trading methods coming out in the month of October. I hope to, if I can answer any questions at all, feel free to ask. I look forward to talking to you soon. You take care. We'll talk to you a little bit later. Bye now. Good trading, everyone.